Hey everyone, so today I'm going to show you 3 food spots that's worth visiting in London, and they're 3 Asian food spots. The first spot that I'm going to take you to is called Ramen. It's Filipino-Japanese fusion, and the first thing I had was gyozas covered in bechamel sauce. I chose the oxtail kare kare ramen, which is rich, comforting and delicious to eat. The next stop is Nippon izakaya, where they serve traditional Japanese food such as omu rice, katsu curry, and spicy chicken ramen. You have chicken and then tofu as well. Very good. The last stop is located in Chinatown. It's called Tao Tao Ju, and they serve delicious dim sum, and there's a huge variety here. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe and have a great day.